And you can see it's floating. You can see it's floating in the water. And of course, when you turn this on, it's gonna move around like crazy. Yeah. There you go. You can see it fly. Will it land on water? There you go. It did land on water. You saw that? All right, let's go ahead and fly it again. You did. Woo-hoo! You can see it flying. I'm in indoor, of course. And you can see it's flying with no problem. So, yeah, it works. Again, one more time. It did fly. Woo-hoo. Fly. Will it land? Will it land? And it land! Let's go ahead and put the camera up a little bit higher. There you go. So we know exactly what's gonna happen. And of course, the reason why it's have that so much power is to turn on. So I prefer you, if you're gonna go kayaking, if you're gonna go surfing, I prefer you to have one of these foam. And let's go ahead and try it again. See it fly. See? You fly without no problem. Look at that. Wow. Wow, guys. It's so light, it's so able to fly. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Land. Look at that go landing without no problem. Again. Woo-hoo! Yeah. Yeah, so it's basically touching the sensor, and here you go. And you can just turn it off. See that? It flies. And the cool thing about it is the fact that you can just have this, take it off. If you don't want this, you can just fly this one. And you get to go. So this is, you can actually get this for, I would say, like if you have one of those boxes, like cameras or whatever you got, or anything that you bought, this is where to go. You just need something like a phone. I could have went a little bit, shorter or smaller, but I decided just to have this to be safe. And you just gotta have it, as soon as the drone floats on here. And then you can measure it or something. But if I were you, just make something like this. It's really cheap, guys, and you can get one of these little chopsticks, and then you can just have a rubber band, and you're good to go. And if basically you can use it on landing on the water. But if you are going to kayak or anything like that, and the wind is really good condition, I would just go ahead and do this if you're unsure, if you don't want your water to flow on, you know. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.